Today I'm going to be putting a slipcover on this IKEA EKTORP armchair, and I believe everybody has had at least one of these pieces in their living room at a certain point in time, because this is the most popular chair that IKEA has had in the catalogue for decades. It's a pretty classic design. If you have a traditional room or something a little more conservative, this shape is very appropriate. You can always throw on a crazy slipcover like I'm about to do, which is going to jazz it up completely and make it a real accent chair. So today I'm going to be putting on a slipcover in Palma Linda Lagoon, and this is the print. It's this fabulous tropical print in blush pink, turquoise blue, green, and a sand color. And I fell in love with this print the minute I saw it. There's something very nostalgic about it for me. I don't know if it's like a mix of 70s or 80s, but I just love tropical prints. I think they go with everything. I think every home needs to have a tropical chair in the room. And this is going to be it for today. So my EKTORP slipcovers have an invisible zipper down the back, which will allow this cover to stretch appropriately to the frame of the chair. And you are just going to position this zipper right down the middle of the back. So we're just going to throw it on like this, and you're going to put the arms through like this, line it up properly. This side. The other thing I really love about this fabric, it kind of has like this washed appearance. I don't know why, but I just really love it. It just doesn't look so finished, if that makes sense. Okay, so that was easy. Let me turn it around and I will show you how the zipper works down the back. So you are literally just going to zip it down like this. And as you can see, that makes it fit nice and snug without anything pulling at the seams. Back around. And now we're just going to add the cushions. So you're just going to slip the slip covers on. The zipper will go towards the back. And same with the back pillow, you'll see the zipper here is going to go at the bottom. And there you have it. IKEA EKTORP armchair in Palma Linda Lagoon fabric.